Wakkanai, the northernmost city in Japan. It's mid-October and snow has already begun to fall. The cold air bites at my face as I step out into the night. But the sight of a deer crossing the street adds a quiet magic to the moment. Tonight, I'm searching for warmth in this snowy corner of Japan, and I know just where to find it. Hi. 一人です。はい、ありがとう。Here in Wakkanai, Octopus Shabu-Shabu is a specialty. I ordered the Octopus Shabu-Shabu set meal for 4,000 yen, but which includes a seafood assortment, a bowl of salmon roll rice, pickles, and soup. But I can't resist adding a local twist: soya black beef teppanyaki, and of course, a small glass of Asahi beer. Sometimes a little indulgence is necessary.
ご飯なんですけど、こちらがおビール飲み終わってから提供するという形になりますが大丈夫ですか？
はい、大丈夫です。The meal begins with simplicity: a small plate of pickles, salty and tangy, waking up the palate.
Celery? Maybe.
The first sip of beer is crisp and refreshing, cutting through the cold that lingers from outside. The shabu-shabu pot arrives. Its warmth immediately fills the room, and the sound of boiling water is unexpectedly satisfying. It reminds me of home, of sharing hot pot meals with family, even in this far corner of Japan. Food has a way of making you feel connected. Next comes the soya black beef, grilled right in front of me on a small teppan. The sizzling butter, the rich aroma, is almost hypnotic. There are only 6 pieces, and at 1,800 yen, it's a little indulgent. But as the first bite melts in my mouth, I know it's worth it. The beef is lean, but balanced with just the right amount of fat. It's fresh, flavorful, and rich. This is the first beef I've had on this trip, and it feels like a treat, a small luxury to warm the soul on a cold night.
But I haven't had beef this trip, so I'll just be more luxurious this time.
And now, the highlight of the meal: Octopus Shabu-Shabu. The thin slices of octopus leg cooked almost instantly. A quick dip in the hot broth, and they are ready to eat.
And that's it.
The texture is unlike anything I've had before. Bouncy, tender, and not at all chewy. The ginger sesame dipping sauce adds a unique flavor that complements the octopus perfectly. It's simple, yet unforgettable.
Right. One of the side thing is interesting. So this is actually some type of an organ from octopus. You ask me what organ is this? I have no idea. Organ. That's a miso sauce. have a very chewy texture. Quite flavorful, but not as strong as like some like squid organ, like the squid liver that I had the other day.
A sip of beer ties everything together. The warmth of the shabu-shabu, the freshness of the octopus. It's the kind of harmony you only find in local cuisine. Last but not least, salmon roll rice bowl. The Hokkaido rice is fragrant and fluffy. The combination is pure magic. The roll bursts with flavor and the rice ties it all together. It's like a celebration of Hokkaido in every bite. And then, the final touch, a warm bowl of miso soup. Is simple, comforting, and the perfect way to end the meal.
Alright, that's my first meal and first night in Wakkanai. So I hope you enjoy watching me eating as much as me eating. If you like to continue to follow my journey in Hokkaido and specifically for Wakkanai tomorrow, whatever the next one. So please remember to follow, subscribe, and like, and put comments. Thank you very much for watching, and this channel would not be existing without your support. So I look forward to tomorrow's trip surrounding Wakkanai, and there's a good reason that I come to this little city, the most northern city in Japan. Alright, stay tuned, and again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take good care. Bye.
And until next time.
I'm layered it up, and I actually, if you can see, I actually layered a camera vest